Good morning, friends. So this morning, have breakfast with me. I'm having eggs this morning. I'm going to fry them up. Put some cooking spray in my skillet. Turn on my skillet. And that beeping noise is my coffee maker. Says he's ready. So in the mornings, I can't eat a whole lot. My stomach is finicky in the mornings. So I eat 2 eggs. When I have eggs, I eat only 2 of them. And that also is a pretty light breakfast for me. That way I can go ahead and get my potassium in, my potassium chloride. And so I have to have that with food. And so, anyway, this allows me to be able to have my potassium and my coffee. So, yeah. If I was eating anything heavier, like I do have this protein oatmeal. I do have, it has 12 grams of protein in it. I do have this, but I don't eat that every day by no means because it weighs heavy on my stomach. So I forgot, I got to talking and forgot to salt my eggs. And pepper. Put the lid on. Puts it from the top. If you didn't know, that's a hack. Put the lid on and then it puts it from the top as well. That way you don't have to flip your eggs. So while these are frying up, I'm going to go ahead and make my coffee. And you know, already 6 cubes. I had to go get my syrups. Alright. While I was gone, my eggs got done. Alright, so I'm going to turn my eggs off. And go ahead and line my glass with some caramel. Skinny caramel sauce. I'm going to do salted caramel today because I made apple coffee. Today I'm going to add some, I have only a little bit left, but some brown sugar cinnamon skinny syrup. I thought brown sugar and cinnamon would go good with apple, along with the caramel. Alright, I'm going to add my coffee. And a heavy cream, but I think this is a new carton. Oh, I have opened it. Okay. Alright. You see the swirling action over here mostly. I like watching the swirls. And then my salted caramel salt. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos, the reason why I don't do the coffees, the protein coffees, because they upset my stomach in the mornings. Now I could probably do them in the afternoons, but I cannot do them in the mornings. So I get my protein from my food in the mornings. So 2 eggs gives me 14 grams of protein. Mm. You just don't know how good that is. It tastes like fall. It's not your pumpkin-y stuff, but it's apple, and it's caramel, and it's salt, and it's just so good. You really gotta try this one. You can get that apple crisp coffee at Aldi's if you have an Aldi's. I believe it's $6.99. So at least here it is. I think I kind of overcooked my eggs, but that's okay. Who needs runny yolks anyway? Alright, here you have it. 2 fried eggs and an apple crisp, salted caramel, almond, sugar, cinnamon, coffee. Have a good day.